welcome back to my channel. This time I want to show you how to make crepes right at home. They are quick and easy, and all you're going to need is your cup of milk, half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 egg, and your pure vanilla extract. These here I do have for toppings in addition to the bananas and the strawberries, but you can most definitely top your crepes with blueberries, sprinkles, chocolate chips, strawberry preserves, whatever you would like. The possibilities are endless with this type of dessert. So let's go ahead and get started by melting the butter in the microwave, and then we'll go from there. Okay guys, so I went ahead and melted my butter completely. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and incorporate my flour into my bowl here. And then the sugar. Go ahead and give it a whisk. Okay. Go ahead and add your teaspoon of vanilla extract. And add your egg. Go ahead and give it a whisk. And it's going to start looking something like this. So my egg and my milk is at room temperature, so go ahead and incorporate the milk. Okay, go ahead and give it a stir. I added in the butter, and it's going to look runny, which is normal. Just go ahead and stir a little more until all the ingredients are incorporated and there is no clumping left. Okay, so I'm ready to go ahead and set this on the pan. Just medium heat is fine. Our crepes are finally done. This recipe made 3 crepes, so I'm just going to go ahead and fill the center. If you don't have the crepe skillet, I would recommend to use one pan and just turn it over, or maybe purchase one. But I'm just going to be filling my crepe with Nutella and then bananas and also pecans. As you can be as creative as you want with this. It's going to look something like this. And if you do recreate this, definitely tag me in any of my social media accounts. I'd love to see it. I'm also going to be topping it with the whipped topping. And I have the original from Great Value. It should look something like this, but you can make it your own. I'm just going to top it up with pecans on the top. You can also maybe add some chocolate syrup to the top, whatever you like. And there you have it, guys, a quick and delicious dessert to make right at home. And I do hope that you liked this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this growing family and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.